I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the meaning behind Alex Warren's song, Save You a Seat. This deeply moving track serves as a heartfelt tribute to those we have lost, exploring the profound themes of grief, remembrance, and the enduring connections we maintain. Alex Warren penned this song specifically for his late parents, envisioning their spiritual presence at significant life events, such as his own wedding day. It's a powerful expression of love that transcends physical absence. The inspiration for Save You a Seat comes from Alex Warren's personal journey with loss. Having experienced the profound grief of losing his father when he was just 9 years old, this song holds immense personal significance. He wrote it in anticipation of his wedding, as a way to honor his parents' memory and feel their spiritual presence as his wife walks down the aisle. It's a very intimate and powerful dedication. What makes Save You a Seat so impactful is its universal message. The themes of enduring love and profound loss resonate deeply with countless individuals who have experienced similar heartache. Many listeners have found solace in its lyrics, creating over 43,000 personal videos and sharing their own stories of remembrance across social media platforms, demonstrating its widespread emotional connection. At its core, Save You a Seat beautifully articulates the idea that love transcends physical absence. The lyrics powerfully convey an unbroken bond, encouraging us to keep the memories of our loved ones alive, even when they have departed too soon. This song provides a comforting space for listeners to process their profound emotional experiences, reminding us that those we cherish are always with us in spirit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.